Hi students, good morning everybody. In rational numbers, already I explained how to insert rational numbers between two given rational numbers. Right? Today let us see some more examples, same method. Insert 5 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 2 by 3. What are the given rational numbers? 3 by 5 and 2 by 3. How many rational numbers we have to insert? 5. First step I told you, take LCM of denominators. What is the LCM of denominators? 15. LCM of 5 and 3 is 15. Now that 3 by 5 should be changed into 15 as denominator. By what number you should multiply with 5 to get 15? Yes, you are right. 5 3s are 15. So 3 by 3 I am doing. So 3 3s are 9 by 15. Similarly, take 2 by 3. 2 by 3 into. Here we have 3. To make this as 15, by what number you should multiply? 3 5s. Right? So 10 by 15. Can you find any rational number between 9 by 15 and 10 by 15? No. So next step, second step I told you, multiplying numerator and denominator by how many rational numbers we have to insert? 5. So 5 plus 1 that equal to 6. So take 9 by 15. 9 by 15 into, by what number you should multiply? 6, 6. 9 6 are 54 by 15 6 are 90. Right? Right. Now second one, 10 by 15. 10 by 15 into 6 by 6. So 60 by 9. Now you see 54 by 90, 60 by 90. Between so many rational numbers will be there. Right? So many in the sense countable. But how many we have to insert? Only 5. So I take any 5. Any 5. So therefore required between 54 by 90 and 60 by 90 we can find some rational numbers. Required rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 2 by 3 are, I will take any 5 enough. 54 now, next one 55, 56, 57, 58, 1, 2, 3, 4, 59. Okay? Any 5 enough. That is simplified. 5 11s, 5 1s are 5, 5 8s are. Okay? This will be 2 2s, 2 8s are 2 45s. That's all. 28 by 45, comma 3 table, 3 1s, 3 9s, 3 30s, 2 2s, 2 9s, 2 45s. This will be saved. Okay? So required 5 rational numbers you can find. Any 5 rational numbers we can take. Okay? Similarly, see the second question. What are the given numbers? 5 by 6 and 8 by 9. What is the LCM of 6 and 9? Is 18. So change the denominators into 18. 5 by 6 equal to 5 by 6 into 3 by 3 because 6 3s are 18. Similarly 8 by 9 into, to get 18 what should you do? 2 by 2, 16 by 18. This is 15 by 18. But 15 by 18, 16 by 18, there is no rational number. So I have to multiply numerator and denominator with 6 plus 1 because we have to insert 6 rational numbers. So 6 plus 1, 7. Okay? Then what will you get? Multiplying numerator and denominator by 6 plus 1, 7. We get 15 by 18 equal to 15 by 18 into 7 by 7. So what will you get? 7 5 is 35, 7 1 is 7 105 by 126. Similarly 16 by 18 equal to 16 by 18 into 7 by 7. So 112, right? 18 sevens are 126. Now you can see clearly 105 by 126, 112 by 126 you can find. Therefore, the required rational numbers are here I am writing. So 105 no, so 106 by 126, 107 by 126, 108 by 126, 109 by 126, 110 upon 126. Okay? How many? 6. 111 by 126. So you must simplify them. 2 5s, 2 3s, 2 6, 2 3s. This same. If you have any cancellation, make it 2 5s, 2 4s, 2 6, 2 3s. This 3 1s are, 3 8s are, 3 2s are, 3 1s are, 3 6s are, 3 7s are. 6 by 7. Right? Next this one as it is. This will be 2 5s 10, 2 5s 10 by 2 6s are, 2 3s are. This is as it is. Clear? So 6 rational numbers can be inserted. Any 6 we can. Now you are given here only 2 and 3. How many we have to insert? 7 rational numbers. Since 2 by 1, 3 by 1 I can write. Since the denominators are already equal, so directly you can multiply. Multiplying numerator and denominator by 7 plus 1, 8. Okay? 2 by 1 into 8 by 8 means 16 by 8. 3 by 1 is equal to 3 by 1 into 8 by 8, 24 by 8. Now you can observe easily between 16 by 8 and 24 by 8 you can find rational numbers. How many? Therefore, the required rational numbers are between 16, no? So 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Exactly we got 7, right? You can simplify this. That is 17 by 8, 2 9s, 2 4s, 19 by 8, 4 5s, 4 2s, 21 by 8, 2 11s, 2 4s, 23 by 8. Clear? This is the way to insert the rational numbers between two given rational numbers. Okay? Hope it is clear. Thank you.